This my bike. Right. I move around, I galang around, co-regulate around.
Regulate.
Co-regulate. I heard that word in the bush from this man. His name's Ephraim.
Right.
He speaks English, but I saw spirits of dead people there in the bush, man. People that are living and people that are living, but people that have died here. The same like faces, they look similar.
So what do you think about America compared to Zimbabwe?
America?
Or England compared to Zimbabwe?
I got my youth in, I got my sister, she stays in Houston,
Yeah, Houston, Texas.
Yeah.
So what do you think about like lifestyle?
Lifestyle?
Where do you think will better lifestyle?
Where's the better lifestyle?
Yeah.
If I come to you guys,
yeah,
I still come back home. Home is best. Where east is west. You know what I'm saying?
It's home though, but
home is home. This is where I grew up. Musha yangu kuno.
Where in Zimbabwe?
Yes.
Though? Yeah.
So I will go there and I'll bring riches back for me people, for my peeps.
So where you from exactly?
Where
like
am I?
Your musha.
Me.
Your musha.
My musha.
Yeah.
I'm a jack. I was told when I was in jail once. Fuck that. I was told I'm a jack of all tribes.
Right. Which jail?
Master of none, but
yeah, Chikurubi prison.
Yeah, neighborhood.
Oh.
Some stupid stories. Yeah.
Oh, like in the stocks.
Yeah, okay. Stocks. I was one of the animals.
Yeah,
I'm a jack of all tribes, man. But my musha is in Chenambuya.
Chenambuya, where's that?
There, in Rusape. It's big. Chenambuya. It's the headlands. We even own headlands. That's where my uncles and aunties are buried, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. We run the show, and the show we run.
Right.
Yeah, we run it down.
You run the show, and the show don't run you.
We run it. We run it down.
Right.
Yeah, if we come to your side there, man, we show you how we play game.
Yeah.
We know. We know the thing.
Like, you talk about your kids and your ladies. You don't have not even friends in foreign. You want to say hi to. You know what I mean?
Torsten. I play the didgeridoo still, but I haven't played it for a long time.
Torsten, where is Torsten?
Torsten, he's in Germany.
Yeah.
He was like a Buddha. He made us see a vision of the Aborigines, man.
Yeah.
He made I play the didgeridoo. Yeah, him and this other one that I met, another guy that came from Australia.
Right.
Yeah, he used to say, man, I sing, I know mystics, I know spirits, and I've seen spirits and ghosts. I do believe, yes, there's
But
ghosts.
You must have some friends from Braeside, though.
Who's this, from Braeside?
From Braeside, who are out in the foreign, or in Acadia,
who's this?
or in the Hatfield.
I don't even know who's ever on Skype there, man.
Yeah, just say hello to them, yo. No, you gotta say their names, though.
I don't know who can I mention?
But
Blade,
yeah.
Movip. We always logged, we always linking.
Yeah. So it's always going down, eh?
Yeah, man.
Always hustling in Mbare.
I'm shy. I don't want to show myself to you, man. You don't need to know me, man.
But they know you, though. Now that they see me, they're gonna know you.
You wanna look for me? You're gonna find me in the bush when the Mondoros are sized like this here. Our big cats. You wanna read this here?
Yeah. You fucking high, eh?
I'm high.
You can't arrest me, I'm a rock star.
I'm a shooting star. You get me? I rock the party. We rock the party. Huh? You can't arrest me. I'm a rock star. Yeah, man.
A rock star is
anyway. I'm an Israelite. I don't go to Nyabingis. I can make my own Nyabing even here. Ijoji I can make. I can make.
What is Nyabing?
Nyabing is gather beers, alcohol, beers, and we blaze the chamber. Yeah, that's a Nyabing. And we talk righteous, and that's Noise. That's harmony. And nobody can live like the way we live down here in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Right here now, there's people dying. Right this split minute right now, someone died.
Right.
Kanjan, this is home where we live. Like we can come visit you.
Why do you say Kanjan?
Because I lived with the Tonga people.
Yeah.
Chisitino era, Mondoro. Etsanga.
Ibo Rasta.
Masao.
Ibo. So Mamono just chingwa na makito man.
We wear clocks. You see the clocks we wear? You see the clocks we wear?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, this is what we wear, you see?
Yeah.
Kanjan.
Mushe.
See you.
Kororo.
It's Horokoro.